Black+Decker's countertop oven not only has a baking option, but now also comes with an air fry feature. It claims that it can hold a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of toast. Stick with me and we'll find out if that's true. So the oven is very easy to use. To toast, you'll turn the top knob onto the toast function and you'll only be using the third knob to select the toast level. And if you want to use either the broil, the air fry or the bake feature, then you'll only be using the second knob to select the time, anytime between 10 to 60 seconds, or a stay on feature if you want it longer than 60 seconds. So the accessories include a baking tray slash drip tray, a mesh tray for your air fry, which is about 2 fingers, no 1 finger deep, and also a rack for your toast or pizza. It has 3 height levels. So if you're using the air fry function, you're going to use the mesh tray, and then you're probably going to want to put in a drip tray underneath. So what you're going to need to do is add in the rack on the third level and then slide in the drip tray into the middle. Or if you want to keep the mesh tray in the second level, then the other way is to slide the drip tray into the rack like this and then slide it into the third level. It also comes with a crumb tray, so it catches any of the crumbs that fall underneath it. I do find it a bit of a challenge to clean inside the door area, so even if I close the door from the outside, I can't really get anything in there to try and clean out all these crumbs. And on the inside as well, underneath the glass, I just find it very difficult to get anything in there to clean out the crumbs. And the same goes for the base of the oven. I really wish there was a tray on the inside as well that you can just slide out and empty the crumbs out and then just pop it back in again. Now I have to try and somehow get my hand underneath these bars to try and or use something to try and clean out all of these crumbs. If anybody has any suggestions or recommendations on the easiest way to clean this, please do drop me a comment below. I'd love to use it. So the model I have states it can toast up to 6 slices of bread. So I've laid everything onto the rack and you can see they are kind of hanging off the side here. And I seriously doubt that I'll be able to slide it into the oven. And now if I try and slide it in, it's just hitting the side, so I can't even slide the rack in. Let's see if it works if I just flip the bread around this way. Now that they are still overlapping a little bit, I won't be able to slide it in. Now, I'm not saying that you can't get 6 slices of bread in, you can, but they'll either have to be very small pieces or you're going to have to overlap them just like this, and that may not toast the bread evenly. But I think I would just stick with either putting 4 slices in, or you can even try 5 actually. So this is a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut that I just want to reheat, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can fit a 12-inch pizza very nicely into the oven. Be sure to check out my other videos on just how well the oven cooks, where I'll be trying a simple toast test and also the air fry test.